What if I was to tell you that the fastest way to reduce cravings, stabilize your blood sugar, jumpstart fat burning in your body, and break through stubborn weight loss plateaus all involve eating canned sardines for just a few short days? I know, it sounds pretty crazy, but thousands of people are doing what's called the Sardine Fast and getting surprisingly powerful results. There's only one big issue, is that many people are doing this incorrectly. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you how to do a sardine fast properly, who it works best for, and also what results that you can realistically expect, and the biggest mistakes that most people make that will ruin their results entirely. So stick around to the end, but before we get started, I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski. Thanks for hanging out with me in today's video. When we look at the sardine fast, the popularity of it online has exploded because people are using it to reset their cravings, improve their blood sugar, get back into ketosis, reduce bloating, and also have a rapid breakthrough on weight loss plateaus that have left you stuck for years. And so when we think of this sardine fast, it sounds a little interesting, right? But it's really not about the sardines at all. It's really about lowering your insulin levels. It's about simplifying your digestion, reducing the food reward that leads to not only food addictions, but also overeating, and forcing the body back into a fat burning mode. And the sardines, they're just a tool. Here's how it works. When you set out to do a sardine fast, the one thing I always say is it's not really a fast. I talk about fasting all the time online, but this is more of an OSH diet. It's eating one single healthy food over a short period of time in order to give you some really good results, okay? And when you look at the sardine fast, you could do it for 24 hours, you could do it for 3 days, you could do it for 5 to 7 days. It's not a big deal, and I'll share with you why. Because what you're doing during this time is you're focusing on only eating the sardines, and you're eating no processed foods, no sugar, no snacks. So you're eating no foods that will cause insulin to spike, and you're not eating highly processed foods that are going to be very reactive in your gut or even your immune system. Just sardines, water, electrolytes, tea, coffee, very simple things. And because sardines are high in protein, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and they're very nutrient dense and extremely filling, you're going to find that you have reduced hunger during this time, and that, well, you're going to end up with less bloating, rapid weight loss, and you're going to find that your appetite starts to get under control really quickly. It's very few and far between that somebody follows a sardine fast and they have a big problem with overeating. It's just one of those things where you're full. And so this is how it works. Now, this is important. When you're doing the sardine fast, it's not magical. The reason that this works so effectively is because you're having several metabolic shifts that are all taking place all at the same time. Now your body is more metabolically flexible and you can start actually burning fat for energy. So insulin drops, fat burning goes up. Number 2 is that the food monotony reduces overeating. And so when your brain stops chasing the dopamine reward that comes from hyper-palatable foods, you're going to find that you aren't doing as much emotional eating, you're not going to find yourself overeating, and you're not going to be attached to these foods that you may have become addicted to. It's very common for us to become addicted to things like sugar. So we're really breaking those food cravings, and we are going to find ourselves not attached emotionally to food anymore. Number 3 thing that's going to happen is you're going to push your body into ketosis. Remember, ketosis is when your body switches from being a sugar burner to a fat burner. And this is all going to happen because when you're on the sardine fast, carbs are literally non-existent, okay? Sugar is non-existent. And then as a result of that, the ketones are going to rise and hunger is going to drop off dramatically. And remember, these ketones also have a very healing power for the brain and your nervous system. So you're going to feel way better. Your brain power is going to turn on. You're going to feel great during this time. Now, the 4th big change that's going to happen is that you are going to find that you are nourishing your body really well because the sardines are actually very nutrient dense. They're considered a superfood. They're rich in omega-3s, vitamin D, selenium, obviously protein, calcium, and even B12. And one of the big factors that makes a sardine fast very easy is that when you do regular fasting, you are literally restricting everything, right? So some people, they get in their head a little bit about it, and you might find yourself going, oh my gosh, doing a 3-day water fast sounds so challenging. However, when you're eating sardines, you're literally forcing your body to have these massive metabolic shifts, but it's much easier because you are nourishing your body with the proteins and the vitamins and the nutrients and the fats. And if you get in your head about doing long term fasting, the one thing that you can rest assured with the sardine fast is that you are going to be nourishing your body, and you just need to ride the wave of metabolic changes that happens during that time. So the sardine fast overall is much easier to actually perform versus a straight water fast, which I teach about and actually do regularly myself. So how do you do a sardine fast? Well, here's the basic protocol. So when we look at the duration necessary for sardine fasting, just like any fasting, there's plenty of options. You could do 24 hours, you could do 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days. At the end of all of this, what we have to really think about is, what are we trying to accomplish? If you're someone who has like type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance, you're going to get best results if you're doing a sardine fast for 3-4 days, okay? If you're somebody who's just doing it for general health purposes, 1 to 2 days is absolutely fine. So the more you're trying to accomplish with your metabolic health, the longer you'll want to do it. And once again, remember, we are nourishing our body during this time. I've done long duration water fast and gotten great results. If you do a longer duration sardine fast, you're probably going to end up getting great results. And the sardines that you actually want to use are going to be healthier sardines, okay? We want to get sardines that are packed in olive oil. The olive oil is important because that oil is going to allow us to get the proper fats in, which is important for ketosis. It's good for our health. It's going to help fight off the cravings. It's going to help nourish our bodies. We want to make sure that we're avoiding sardines that are packed in, like, let's say, soybean oil or inflammatory seed oils or even sugary sauces. We have to make sure that we're getting good quality. If you have a recommendation for a particular sardine that you like, you're more than welcome to put that in the comments below. I think I typically am using a brand called Wild Planet. That's just the one that I always get at my local grocery store. And I know that it's good quality too. Now, another factor I want to consider is that many people think of the idea of doing a sardine fast and they're just blown away how anybody could eat something like sardines for multiple days in a row and only sardines. And if you've ever done any type of fasting like bone broth fasting or fasting where you're just eating one particular food, then you've probably come across the experience that sometimes when you're eating that one food for multiple days in a row, that particular food starts to become really overwhelming. The taste, the flavor, and so sardines especially can be one of those foods that can give you that sensation. So what I always tell people, if you want to do a sardine fast and you're just really struggling with that idea of only eating sardines, what I would do is I would look to some other fatty fish, okay? So you don't only have to stick to sardines if you're struggling with that. You could get, let's say, smoked salmon in a can that's in olive oil, or mackerel or herring in a can that's in olive oil, because those are good fatty fish and they're going to give you really the same results, okay? So there are different options of fish that you can use. And I have done this before. Instead of only eating sardines, I was getting some smoked salmon in olive oil, and it's fantastic. I actually really loved it. And the other thing that I would put in too, if you're struggling with this, is eggs, okay? There's something called the egg fast. I've, talked about that quite a few times on my channel. And the thing is about this is that if you're doing the sardine fast, you could throw eggs in, you could throw these different types of fish in, and you're still going to really get the same result of keeping your insulin low, going into ketosis, going zero carb, and you're going to get all of these different nutrients. So even though it's easier on our digestion if we're eating just one single healthy food, if you're adding in things like eggs and some different variations of fish, there is no problem with that, okay? So for those who like this concept of doing the sardine fast but get really stuck on only eating sardines for that extended period of time, those are your options in order to do things a little bit differently and still be able to accomplish the sardine fast and get great results, okay? Now, when you look at the drinks that are allowed on the sardine fast, it's your typical drinks that are allowed with any fasting. It's going to be water, mineral water, lots of electrolytes, black coffee, and also unsweetened tea. Now, it's important to remember if you start to have a lot of fatigue or you are just really struggling, always think electrolytes. Keep boosting up your electrolytes, boosting up your sodium levels. And I'll put a link in the description below to the fasting electrolytes that we use in my clinic. They're called Electrolyte Performance. It's what we use with fasting all the time here. They don't have any sugar in them. They don't have any different fillers like most of the very popular brands are that people are using today. And so they're good quality. I'll put a link in the description below. You want to always make sure that you're considering electrolytes whenever fasting. And let's say you're getting headaches, you're getting fatigue, electrolytes, and more water. Okay, that's your answer. Now, let's talk about some of the big mistakes. One of the big mistakes, obviously, is that you're not using enough enough electrolytes. Another big mistake is the expectations. When you start doing the sardine fast, you're going to notice that you start losing water weight, the inflammation goes down, you start to really just see this incredible result come out of it. But it's not a magical fat loss treatment, let's say. It is going to be something that pushes you in the right direction. It's going to be something that helps you overcome the food addictions to overeating. It's going to help make you more metabolically flexible so you can start burning fat for energy. So it's not a magical fat loss pill or something like that. And what's really important, this is another big mistake that many people make beyond having expectations that are, wild, is that you are going right back to eating junk food after you get off of this fast. This fast should serve as a reset, okay? The sardine fast will help you overcome a lot of the challenges you have around food. And the big reason that we, especially in the United States and different Western cultures, are struggling with metabolic syndrome and a lot of metabolic health issues is because of our mindset around food. Okay, so we should be able to come off of this and not crave the junk food, not find ourselves overeating as much, and also find ourselves being able to make healthier choices much more easily. So therefore, it's up to you to really make sure that you're doing the right thing after you get off this fast and having the discipline to do so. Because mentally, it'll be easy to make those choices. But of course, you have to have the discipline to say no to the things that you should be eating as they come into your life. Now, who this is going to work best for? Okay, this is going to work best for anybody who has a lot of food craving issues, insulin resistance, feels metabolically stuck. Also, if you're someone who's trying to get back into ketosis and start kicking that fat burning up in your body, or if you're someone who is constantly overeating processed foods, and maybe you just need a psychological reset as it pertains to food. You're going to notice that your stomach is flatter after you do this, you have less bloating, your gut health improves, and then your overall energy is so much more stable, and you probably will have more energy as well. So the sardine fast is something that is powerful. I think it is a very critical tool that we can easily use in healthcare and in our homes, especially, right? No doctor's visit, no cost to you at all. It's something that you can easily do and get amazing results as it pertains to your metabolic health. I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski. If you love this video, watch this one next.